In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the API key settings on HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you step by step through this process to ensure you can easily locate your API keys. These steps will only take a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by typing www.hubspot.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a range of options for various software tools that HubSpot offers. But for now, our focus is on accessing the API key settings, so let's proceed. Next, look for the login button. You'll usually find it at the top right corner of the page. Click on login and it will take you to the HubSpot login page. Enter your credentials, which are your email and password, and then click the login button to access your HubSpot account. If you're having trouble logging in, ensure your credentials are correct, or use the forgot password feature if needed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot home. This is where you can access different facets of your HubSpot account, including CRM setups, marketing tools, and more. However, for today's task, head over to the settings by locating the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon. Click on it and it will open a menu with various account options. In this menu, you should see an option for integrations. Click on it. This section contains all integration settings related to your HubSpot account, allowing you to connect HubSpot with various other applications. After clicking integrations, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage and review all current integrations and apps connected with your HubSpot account. On the integrations page, navigate to and click on private apps. This is a crucial step because HubSpot has moved away from using legacy API keys, encouraging users to create and manage private apps for more secure authentication. Clicking on private apps will take you to a page designed for setting up new applications or reviewing current ones associated with your account. On the private apps page, you have the opportunity to create a new private app or manage existing ones. If you plan to set up a new private app to get your API keys, click the Create a New App button and follow the prompts given by HubSpot to complete the process. Each step is straightforward and HubSpot provides guidance to ensure clarity and security. And there you go, a simple yet comprehensive guide to finding your HubSpot API key settings. Remember, understanding where to find these settings is crucial as it affects how you connect HubSpot with other platforms and services. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick guides and tips.